Welcome back to Black Swan Outdoors. Today we're going to talk about the travel go kit. In previous videos I did some other kind of kit loadout or walkthrough videos. The idea behind this pack is that it can go with you wherever you are. So if you're traveling in an austere or non-permissive environment, that you have a small compact kit that you can carry on your person in case there's an emergency, whether you have to leave a hotel room very quickly. You can grab this and go. If you want to carry just the very bare essentials as you're going out and about during the day, you can have this on with you. If there is a vehicular accident or situation where you lose your luggage and you have just a few things that you can rely on. That's kind of the idea behind this kit. Today I a little overpacked it, to be quite honest, but I wanted to kind of go through a variety of different types of gear. Obviously the conditions and environment that you're going to be in is going to dictate what you might want to take with you. But putting it in just one of these little butt packs, fanny packs, gives you the ability to put this in a larger backpack for layers, water, additional food items, that kind of thing. Or it can operate as on its own. So it gives you lots of capability that way. So without much further ado, let's jump inside here and see what I've packed. So very first at the top, a can of mace. Again, this might be something you may want or may not want to carry with you depending on local rules and laws. Also on top here is the zebra pen, something that you might need through your travels. Pens are extremely helpful, and this particular one can be used for defensive purposes given that it's an all steel construction. Of course, your passport. Nothing better, more important than your passport. Then inside an RFID sleeve, which I think is very important as well. Again, this is the thing that you're going to grab with you. You want to make sure your passport is on your person in all types of situations. Emergency credit card. So this is just emergency, whether it's your corporate card or government card or whatever. Extra power bank. I already carry a power bank in my pack. So I'm not sure if I need to have redundancy in this. However, I've been in situations where there's limited power, and having a spare power bank during the day was super important because I also had limited service. So my service was, signal was always trying to find, my phone was always trying to find a signal, and the battery wore down fairly quick. So lighter and duct tape. Duct tape's super handy to have. So is a lighter. Many different things you can do with that. Flashlight. So this is just your regular mag light. A little heavyweight, but the nice thing about these mag lights is they don't turn on in your pack, and also the base turns into a little candle, so you can have a little bit of a stand. So there's a little multifunctional. I really like the old school mag lights personally. So. But again, I already carry a headlamp and a smaller flashlight, so I might take that out. Another thing I already carry is a Leatherman, so there's a little redundancy in the flashlight and the Leatherman, so I may or may opt to remove that or not. But this is just a classic old school Leatherman. Great little lightweight multifunction. Pencil, another writing instrument, very helpful navigation and all sorts of other things. This is a water filtration straw. And here's the other part. Instead of carrying iodine, just a straw that you can drink from. Alternatively, you could just carry iodine tabs, which I think would be probably better off. But I've got this, and it works fairly well. Little chem light. Crack that. Take a look inside your contents of your bag, especially if you're not carrying a flashlight. I think having something like this is great for signaling. This is another signaling tool. This is just a rechargeable chem light made by UV glow stick, and either one of these can be on this paracord swung around in a buzz saw, which you can see video here. Chapstick, super cool, very important to have. And then I've got maps of the area, which we'll talk about in another video, and I've got what's called a blood chit as well, which I'll do a whole video on as well. Water bottle, just a compressible water bottle. I'm not a big fan of these, although this is small and something that you can put in the bag and carry more water with you. I think that might be fairly important to have. Shelter. These things are great, reusable, fantastic, multiple use item. Rehydration salts, very important, especially in those hot environments. Don't often see these in kits. I don't know. A lot of times, you come across other people as well that are dehydrated, and so this is important to have. And then just a little bit of nutrition, just a power bar, and IR flasher, another signaling device. Again, maybe I wouldn't put it in, maybe I wouldn't, I don't know. And then in the front pocket here is just a ferro rod, and I've got a couple of these lightweight whistles. So if you're traveling with a partner, you can hand them a whistle, and you'll be able to communicate even in loud situations. And then just a base plate compass with a magnifying glass. Again, multiple purpose tool. And then I did throw in a little grid overlay on here, so that if you did need to do any kind of mapping work, you could do that. If you needed to find GPS coordinates on your map, you could do that quickly with this overlay. So yeah, so that's my little travel kit. You can carry it with a larger go bag, you can carry it in your luggage, you can carry it on its own. You can make it TSA friendly by removing the pocket knife. And mace. I'm not sure if mace is available, if you can take that on planes or not. I don't think so. I've never traveled with it, so I don't know. But yeah, if you have any other suggestions, please put them in the comments below. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.